Children, in the previous class, I taught you mixed fraction. So, what is a mixed fraction? When a number consists of a whole number and a fraction, it is called a mixed fraction. Now, today I shall teach you proper and improper fractions. A fraction. What is a proper fraction? A fraction which has its numerator less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. Now see children, 3 by 5 is a fraction. Now 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Now according to the definition, that 3 by 5 is a fraction, its numerator, that is 3, is less than its denominator 5. So it is called a proper fraction. Again you see children, another example, 7 by 11. Here also 7 by 11 is a fraction and it has its numerator 7 which is less than its denominator 11. So it is also a proper fraction. Now what is an improper fraction? What is an improper fraction? When the numerator is equal to or more than the denominator, the fraction is called an improper fraction. Now for example, see 3 by 3. So 3 is the numerator also, 3 is the denominator also. So when the numerator is equal to or more than the denominator. So here the numerator is equal to the denominator. So what will be the value of 3 by 3? It will be 1. So it is an improper fraction. Also children, you see, when the numerator, that is here in the fraction 5 by 4, 5 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So when numerator is greater than the denominator, then also the fraction is an improper fraction and its value is greater than 1. Because if you divide 5 by 4, you will get some value which is greater than 1. So 3 by 3 and 5 by 4 are improper fractions. Children, now let's do the sums of exercise 14. So sum number A, change the following into whole numbers or mixed fractions. So you have to change 13 by 7 into either in whole number or in mixed fraction. So what you will do? First, write the sum 13 by 7. Then you divide 13 by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 more. So I shall take 7 ones are 7. So 13 minus 7, 6, and 1 minus 1, 0. So you will write 6 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. So 1, 6 by 7. So answer 1, 6 by 7. So 1, 6 by 7, it is a mixed fraction because this number 1, 6 by 7, it consists of a whole number 1 and the fraction 6 by 7. Now sum number 11, 19 by 6. So divide 19 by 6. 6 3s are 18. The 6 4s are 24 more. You can't write it. So 6 3s are 18. So 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 3, 1 by, this 1 will go in the numerator and 6 will come in the denominator. So 3, 1 by 6. So answer 3, 1, again 1 by 6. Again it is a mixed fraction. Now 24 by 7. So divide sum number 13, 24 by 7. 24 by 7. So divide 24 by 7. So 7 3s are 21. Because 7 4s are 28 more. You can't write it. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So 3 will come in the numerator and 7 you will write in the denominator. So answer 3 by 7. Next, 33 by 7. Divide. Now, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, so 35 is more. So 7 fours are 28. So 13 minus 8, 5. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. So 4, 5 by 7. So answer 4, 5 by 7. Next, 25 by, sum number 17, 25 by 9. So write 25 by 9. Now divide 25 by 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. 27 is more. So you write 9 2s are 18. So now children, 15 minus 8, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. So 9, so 2, 7 by 9. So answer 2, 7 by 9. Now again children, see sum number 18, 32 by 8. So divide 32 by 8. Now 8 fours are 32. So 32 minus 32 is 0. So now 4 is a whole number. So answer 4. So the answer will come. So when you are dividing an improper fraction, so what you are getting? You are getting either a mixed fraction or a whole number. Now see children, sum number 19, 37 by 12. So you have to change it into whole number or mixed fractions. Now you divide 37 by 12. So 12 3s are 36. So 7 minus 6, 1. So this 1 will come in the numerator and this 12 will come in the denominator. So answer 3 1 by 12. Now 3 1 by 12 is a mixed fraction. Next, sum number 20, 44 by 11. So you divide 44 by 11. So 11 fours are 44. So 44 minus 44, 0. So put cross. Now this 4 is a whole number. So answer 4. Next, sum number 22, 43 by 13. Now children, divide 43 by 13. So 43 divided by 13, how much you are getting? 13 3s are 39. So 13 minus 9, 4. And 4 minus 4, 0. So 3, 4 by, this 4 will come in the numerator and this 13 will come in the denominator. Now 3, 4 by 13, it is a mixed fraction. So answer 3, 4 by 13. Next, sum number 23, 45 by 15. Now children, divide 45 by 15. So 15 3s are 45. 45 minus 45, 0, or you may put cross. Now this 3 is a whole number. Next sum children, 25, 49 by 16. Now you divide 49 by 16. So 16 3s are 48. So 9 minus 8, 1. Now this 1 will go in the numerator and the 16 will come in the denominator. Now 3 1 by 16 is a mixed fraction. Children, you know in the previous class also I told you why it is a mixed fraction, because 3 1 by 16 is a number which consists of a whole number 3 and a fraction 1 by 16. So answer 3 1 by 16. Next 40 by 19. You divide 40 by 19. So 19 twos are 38. So 10 minus 8, 2. So and 4 minus 4, it will be 0. So this 2 will come in the numerator and 19 will come in the denominator. So answer 2 by 19. Again children, I am recapitulating that 2 by 19 is also a mixed fraction because it consists of a whole number 2 and a fraction 2 by 19. Now children, sum number 29, 55 by 16. So divide 55 by 16. So 16 3s are 48. So 15 minus 8, 7, and 5 minus 5, 0. So this 7 will come in the numerator and 16 will come in the denominator. So answer 3 7 by 16. So 3 7 by 16 is a mixed fraction. Now 59 by sum number 30, 59 by 18. So you divide 59 by 18. So 18 3s are 54. So 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. This 5 will come in the numerator and this 18 will come in the denominator. Now 3 5 by 18 is a mixed fraction. Next sum number 32, 43 by 19. So you divide 43 by 19. So 19 twos are 38. So 13 minus 8, 5, and 4 minus 4, 0. So this 5 will come in the numerator and 19 will come in the denominator. So answer 2 5 by 19. Again 2 5 by 19 is also a mixed fraction. Now 41 by sum number 33, 41 by 18. So divide it 41 by 18. So 82s are 36. So 11 minus 6, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. So 2, this 5 will come in the numerator and this 18 will come in the denominator. So answer 2 5 by 18. 2 5 by 18 is also a mixed fraction. Now 72 by 17. Sum number 34, 72 by 17. So you divide 72 by 17. So 17 4s are 68. So 12 minus 8, 4, and 7 minus 7, 0. So 4, this 4 will come in the numerator and 17 will come in the denominator. So 4 by 17 is also a mixed fraction. Answer 4 by 17. Next sum number 36, 84 by 17. So 84, divide 84 by 17. Again 17 4s are 68. So 14 minus 8, 6, and 8 minus 7, 1. So 4 16 by, the 16 will come in the numerator and 17 will come in the denominator. So 4 16 by 17. So now 4 16 by 17 is also a mixed fraction. That's all for today. Thank you. Now children, take your homework.